Okay, this picture's all over Facebook, and the person's asking if they're doing it right. And I believe there's a clear and obvious code violation in this picture, but nobody else is calling it out, which is making me question whether or not I misunderstand the rule and it isn't a code violation. So I'll show you where I think the code violation is and show you where I found it in the code. If you think I am indeed wrong and it's not a code violation, I welcome that, but please provide your code reference. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so this is a service, and this white wire here is the neutral or the grounded conductor from the utility company. It is required to have a connection to earth. So to make that connection to earth, what we would do is run a wire from this enclosure to the earth and connect to something like ground rods. The code's going to refer to those things as grounding electrode would be the ground rods, and the wire from the ground rods to here would be the grounding electrode conductor. And the code's going to tell us where to land the grounding electrode conductor in this box. So that is the grounding electrode conductor, that bare wire. The code's going to say we can't connect to the can like this. We have to connect directly to the same bus as the grounded conductor. I understand with those green screws in, they might be electrically the same, but it's just a code rule. The connection between grounded conductor and ground rods cannot rely on the can. It has to be on the same bus. Okay, so in the 2023 code, we're going to go to 250.24a. So if you read A, it'll tell us that we need a connection between the grounded service conductor and the grounding electrode conductor. And 1 through 4 would tell us the ways we can do it. So 1 would be the general rules. And if you read it, all those different ways, the normal way we do it is here, the last one, or to the bus to which the grounded service conductor is connected at the service disconnecting means. Again, if you think I missed something, let me know, the code reference. I think the biggest area where people are going to say I'm misunderstanding is 4. I believe the only thing 4 is saying is if you have a neutral bar and you have a ground bar, you can use a jumper between the two to make the connection. But this still does not allow the connection from your grounding electrode conductor to your grounded conductor to be the can of the service disconnecting means. You need to be on the same bus or a wire jumper between the two. All right, thank you very much. Side note, B is what tells us we have to separate grounds and neutrals after the service disconnecting means. All right, thank you very much.